Most women think they're afraid of the camera. That used to be me too. But you're actually not afraid of the camera. You're afraid of being seen and what people will think. And when you realize what's causing that resistance, your whole world is going to start opening up in a brand new way. Stay with me because in this video, I'm going to share with you the mindset shift that is going to allow you to show up on camera with confidence, clarity, and presence. Even if you've been hiding out for months and months or even years. Hello, I'm Dr. Shelly Nash, mindset, confidence, and style coach, retired chiropractor, and cat mom of two. I've spent my life building businesses, reinventing myself, and learning what it means to show up confidently, even when my life was messy, uncertain, and uncomfortable. There were seasons in my life that I had to rebuild financially, emotionally, and spiritually. And in those seasons, I learned something really powerful. Confidence is not something you have before you show up. It's something you build by showing up. That is the heart of this entire series. Why does showing up feel so hard? Let me tell you a quick story. There was a moment not too long ago when I sat down in front of the camera, I froze. Not because I didn't know what to say, but because suddenly I was hyper aware of myself and how I was feeling. I was self-conscious of how I looked. Did I sound nervous or what would people think? And in that moment, I realized I was thinking too much about myself rather than the people or the person I was here to help and serve. And that's the real block. You're not actually afraid of the camera. You're afraid about being judged, misunderstood, or seen in a way that you can't control by others. That is where we shift. When you shift your focus, your confidence rises. So here is the breakthrough. Confidence comes when your focus shifts from how do I look, what will people think of me, to who am I helping? When you speak to one real person, not the whole internet, not strangers and not critics, just the one woman out there that needs exactly what you have to say, just the one woman out there that needs what you've lived through, your tone changes, your nervous system relaxes, and your message becomes clear. You stop performing and you start connecting. Your personal story is actually the bridge between you and the people that need you, the people that are looking for you, your message, and what you have to give. People don't connect with perfection, they connect with authentic. And as a perfectionist, that can be hard to realize that I don't have to be perfect in order to help someone else, in order to serve someone else, in order to give a service to someone else. I just have to be myself. They connect with these four things. The moment you struggled, the moment you got back up, what you learned, and how you grew. Your story is not just something you share. Your story is the bridge that can bring someone out of isolation into possibility. This can mean everything to the person that needs your help, that needs your message. You're not behind and you're not too late. Everything you've lived has prepared you to guide someone else. This is why your voice matters. This is why your presence matters. And this is why being seen matters. Now, this doesn't happen overnight. Practice builds your presence. Practice, practice, practice. Consistency, consistency, consistency will build your presence. I have not always been this way. I have been doing this for many, many years. I have been showing up authentically year after year after year, being more authentic as I go. Here's the secret no one tells you. You don't become confident and then show up. You show up consistently, and confidence comes through that repetition. Even if your first videos feel awkward, even if your voice shakes, even if you start small, every time you show up, your nervous system learns. It's safe to be seen. And that is how confidence grows from the inside out. And the magic is you don't have to do any of this alone. This transformation becomes so much easier when you have structure, support, and someone walking the journey with you. That's why I created my Digital Success Club, a space where we build confidence, clarity, visibility, and income together. You don't have to figure it out alone. You don't have to push through the resistance alone. You deserve support that helps you rise. Join my Digital Success Club today and become one of the first 50 founding members. You will become an integral part of the community. Get the link below. What part of showing up online feels the hardest for you? Confidence, consistency, clarity? Comment below and I'd love to respond to your answers. And if you want something that's going to instantly help you feel more confident and comfortable on camera, download my free Top 10 Style Hacks to instantly elevate your on-camera presence. These are the same steps that helped me look and feel like the woman I am meant to be. Confident, magnetic, and completely myself. Get the link below. Because when you look aligned with who you are, you show up aligned with who you are. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to speak so people feel your message, not just hear your words. You were meant to be seen, and this is your moment. I'll see you in the next part of the video series. Now that you know you're not afraid of the camera, you're afraid of being seen, you might want to learn the 5 steps to showing up online with confidence, even if you've been hiding. It all starts with watching this next video, because when you pair it with what you just learned, it's going to be way more powerful. See you on the next video.